happy and so excited to be here today in Karachi in Pakistan.
The first StyleItaliano Congress, we met very unbelievable people, so young and talented.
Attendance has been amazing, the feedback has been fantastic, a world-class venue for an amazing event. Thank you so much, Pakistan.
Thank you so much for the Clea Dental Academy. Thank you so much for Dr. Sarah for this great event.
And I hope to see you again soon.
I'm here at the first Style Italiano workshop hosted by Clea Dental Academy.
Workshop was highly informative.
I think it is a really good initiative because in Pakistan we don't get a lot of opportunities, so this is something really big, amazing.
So I recently took a workshop from Professor Angelo right now, and the techniques he showed me were outclassed.
Today we had a hands-on workshop with Angelo Puccignano. It was an amazing experience.
I just had my hands-on session with Dr. Ahmed Tatfi. It was amazing, beyond imagination, exceptional clinical skills and reproducible skills actually. Thank you Clea Dentistry for arranging this.